Hi, let's see how we can change the look and feel of the Flex dashboards. So if you haven't used the Flex dashboards before, first of all, go and install the package Flex dashboard and then simply say new file, R Markdown from template and use the Flex dashboard there. And then you'll have a basic structure of Flex dashboard. Just save it as a file. If this is new to you, then go and watch the first video which we created on the details on how to create a Flex dashboard from scratch. So I've prepared a Flex dashboard which already has some code there, and I'm just going to run it and see how it looks like. There are various ways to customize them, and one of them is to actually give different themes. And how do we find what the themes are? Just give the command theme, and I'm just going to put some value there, XXX. It's not going to work, so it's going to give us an error, and that's what we wanted. This is the list of all the themes which we could have used. So I'm just going to copy them and then start using them one by one very quickly so that you get to see how each of those built-in themes look like. So I'm just going to copy it there temporarily, just comment it out, and then start using them one by one. So I'm using the Bootstrap theme, looks like this. And then the next one is Cerulean, which is something like this. Cosmo, which is something like this. Now Darkly didn't work. Darkly gave an error, so it doesn't work. And next one is the Flatly. There we go. The Journal, Lumen, Paper, Readable, Sandstone, Simplex, Spacelab, United, Yeti. So there we go. And the next thing would be to use the Cascade Style Sheets or CSS code within the Flex dashboard so that we can customize it. So you could use CSS like this within the style tags and the body tags and the H1, H2, H3 tags, or the color for that. And then you can go and make some customization, run it, and you will see that it actually affects your look and feel like this. And now, how can we use those CSS files externally? So instead of writing the CSS here, because it becomes very ugly and big, you can actually use an external file-based CSS, and that's the standard practice, which is useful. So I'm just going to create a basic file. So just go to File, New File, and remember the file extension has to be .css. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. So I'm going to create a text file and then give it a proper name like my CSS style.css. And now we have an empty file. I'm just going to paste the same code up there, save it up, and then obviously get rid of the CSS from there and call our CSS file which we just created with a syntax like this. And if I run it, I get a layout like this. And we can also provide a URL like this and obviously mix and match the styles as well as the URL there. So we can use both. And in the next video, we're going to talk about how to fully customize the dashboard, including the chart themes also. So I hope you found this information useful and practical. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.